Hi, this video is on the Charges Payments tab. On the Charges Payments tab, you can see any invoices are listed at the top, deposits are down below. Anytime you see an invoice number that's blue, you can click on it and that will give you some details of that invoice, and then you can click on the print button to print that out. To collapse this, just click on the little minus button and that will collapse that preview. You can see the reservation number and the charges are listed, the amount and the balance. A common question is why this balance is different than the one on the till tape on the left hand side. That is because a deposit has been paid, and the deposits are always held in the deposit liability account until the reservation is checked in. So any advance payment, even if it's not you don't have deposits set up, will always be held as a deposit until the reservation is checked in. So that balance will change once the reservation is checked in. So we can see we have a credit card on record. If the reservation is ready to be checked in, there'll be a little checkbox here which will bring up the Res Status Options window to check that reservation in. Down at the bottom are your deposits, or your deposit activity. Again, we can click on the invoice to print that out. It lists what it is and the amount. And we also have a little CHG, a change link on the right hand side. You'll also see them up here for payments as well. If you click on that link, it will bring up the change payment window where you can reverse a payment, or you can also change the payment type. This is a common issue where an employee will select the wrong payment type, and when the end of day is done, they need to fix that. So you can easily do that before the end of day is submitted. On the right hand side, we have our payment buttons. We have our credit card processor. If you're set up with one, you'll have a credit card processor button. This business is with PayTrace. We also have our manual payments button, the other payment button, which we can click on, and that will bring up the payment window. We can see we've got security deposits that we can take for this business, for this reservation. We also have our payment types drop down, so if we wanted to take a check, we can leave the amount. This is the balance. After the reservation has had a deposit paid, it will also always display the balance, and we can post that. If we realize we've made a mistake, we can click that checkbox and hit delete, and that will let us start over. So I'm actually going to take cash and only $200. I can put in something in the reference number field. If it's a credit card payment, this is usually an authorization number or a check number. We can enter that in. That will save on the receipt and show up on the payments report as well. We can click on post, and we can see it's listed. Once we're ready, we can click on the submit button, and that will submit that $200 as an additional deposit in addition to the normal deposit. Again, we can change it if we wanted to reverse that or change the payment type. The PayTrace button, your credit card button, or if you're signed up with the credit card vault, there's videos on those, so I won't go into that. And then the print buttons up at the top, we can click on print other, where we send our confirmations. We can send things. If we make a payment, we can send a new confirmation or receipts. And then print statement, if we want to print a statement out or a statement detail, we can print those out as well, or email those to the client now as well. That is our review of the Charges Payments tab. Thanks for watching.